What's up everybody, Chris here from Boss Talk Productions, headed to the airport right now. It's about 6 a.m. What we got going on over the next few days is we're doing a boat shoot for Marine Video Production. We're flying out to Providence, Rhode Island, and we're going to be shooting a boat actually that was shot in episode 117 of the vlog, Halcyon Seas. We took it out to the Bahamas, which we're doing the same thing, but over in that northeastern location. We're going to be shooting around Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, all this kind of a summery northeastern area where people vacation. They're going to be shooting a lot of drone stuff for sure, a lot of location stuff, so they can put together a charter video for that area. Call in the Uber right now, and I'll see you guys in Providence. I've arrived here in Providence. I'm actually at the ferry terminal right now. A little bit early. I was kind of rushing because I didn't know how early they started boarding. The connection flight was tight for sure, but obviously made it here successfully. It's about an hour and 45-minute ferry ride to Martha's Vineyard. At the Halcyon Seas, and set up for some twilight sunset shots. Too late to take the boat out, and then spend most of tomorrow, sunrise and rest of the day shooting stuff out near some of the islands, some lighthouses, iconic locations, and whatever cool stuff there's to be found here. I get it. Done like this. It's about 30 minutes to sunrise here. You can see the colors lighting up really nicely behind me. We're going to be taking the boat out to the lighthouse. So we've been doing a lot of location droning stuff, cruising around different iconic landmarks. We're upriver at a town called Falls River, and we're cruising over to this battleship. You might see it behind me. We're gonna do some drone stuff there. I'm walking through the town of Newport, Rhode Island. We got the ship docked over there at the marina, just getting some location B-roll, BT Pro travel stuff as requested. You know, some interesting looking signage and shops and stuff around here. So we just wrapped up the final drone flight final shot of this shoot. It was looking like a total unassuming sunset, and all of a sudden it kind of burst with color, and I pretty much scrambled and reshot all the video, shot the photos, and put the drone back up, cruised back over to the castle, and just got these awesome shots with the light, with the inferno, fire, sunset, whatever you want to call it. It was amazing. Perfect finish to this shoot. Flying out tomorrow, so that's a wrap for this shoot out here in Rhode Island, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.